So apparently we can all be Minecraft characters now. Not in a tragic midlife crisis way, but in a genuinely clever AI-powered way that's perfect for social media content, kids' entertainment brands, or just to impress your 7-year-old nephew. Today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to turn a photo into a Minecraft-style character render, complete with pixelated limbs, blocky wings, and accessories galore. So let's get started. You're going to need to head over to chat.openai.com and log in. Make sure you're using GPT 4.0 and not 3.5. Now you're going to want to start a new conversation and upload a clear front-facing photo. For this tutorial, I'm using a lovely photo of Fairy Lily Lou in full costume, sparkly pink dress, the lot. You can use a photo of yourself, your brand mascot, or even a favourite character. Just make sure the face is clear and there aren't any filters getting in the way of the details. Now paste this Minecraft prompt. This is where the magic happens. I have copied the prompt in the description down below. You can actually adapt any of the variables to yourself to make sure it's really clear as to what the character is going to look like. Now whether you want a pixelated pirate, footballer or wizard with a pet fox, this prompt has you covered. So once you paste in the prompt, hit enter and let ChatGPT get to work. It usually takes a few seconds. Kind of, you maybe want to put the kettle on, it's fine. Mine's builder standard, 2 sugars. Now finally, you'll get back a full colour Minecraft style image that looks like a screenshot straight from the game. Lily, for example, came out looking like she's ready to lead a fairy quest through a pixelated forest. It's blocky perfection. If the first version isn't quite right, maybe it's missing the wings or it's got the expression wrong, just ask ChatGPT to adjust it. You can say things like, can you change the background to a circus tent, or make her hold a magic wand instead of a book, or add a pet cat at her feet. It's surprisingly flexible and you can regenerate the image until it feels just right. So once you're happy with your Minecraft persona, download the image and use it wherever you like. And it is a brilliant way to stand out if you work with children, families or creative brands. This isn't just a bit of AI fun though, although it is that too. Minecraft style visuals are instantly recognizable and loved by kids and by grown-ups who say it's for their kids. And that's it. How to create your very own Minecraft style character using ChatGPT. No graphic design degree required. If you make one, tag me or drop it in the comments. I'd love to see what your pixel self looks like. Bonus points for accessories. Don't miss my next video where I show you how to animate your characters for intros, content reels and party videos using free AI tools. See you there.